friends, welcome back to my channel, 20BLV, Mouth of the South. Hope you're having a fabulous middle of the work week. It should be hump day, although I have recorded this earlier, so time travel, it's a fancy thing. So, we went to the mountains this weekend. We just rode around, just trying to get out of the house, and it was really packed up there. We sort of live close to just tons and tons of mountains, Smoky Mountains, Blue Ridge Parkway, just everywhere. Just everywhere we look is mountains. So I'm going to try and insert a little vlogging clip that I took from my phone. Let's hope it works. If not, we're just going to unbox today. So roll that fabulous bean footage. This is
Tan Bark Tunnel.
Yes. What? A dark?
It's called Tan Bark Tunnel.
Tan Bark Tunnel. Look at this thing. Oh my. And it's like naturally carved out. It's not, I was going to say it's not man-made, but that's kind of stupid of me to say. It's,
There you go.
that's precious. You know, it was like carved out way back in the day.
Dug it out by hand.
They dug it out by hand. See, my husband is very good at tour guiding. Ooh, she nice up here behind me. Yes, yes. It's almost kind of chilly. Just a little bit chilly out here. But, oh girl, she's beautiful. So you see everywhere you look, there's some pull-offs. Yeah, they're having snow. Okay guys, look at this bridge. Isn't it crazy? It just winds around this mountain like that. Oh yes. And look at this. Hello people. Yeah. It's kind of congested up here. And it looks a little overcast. Look how pretty that is. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little interlude. Just me and the family riding around, trying not to go stir crazy. It's very rare that we do go, there's a little outlet up there. It's because whenever you say, you know, we went here, and people go, oh, did you go to the outlet? No, we didn't. There's a couple outlets up there, and we didn't go to either one of them. Dude, right? Which is rare for me. So that was kind of fun. We just actually, we went up there, we got a little bite to eat, ate it in the car, rode around and rode around and rode around all over the mountains as you saw, and then just came back home, and that's it. And then the weekend was over. Alright, so I have a pre-order item from Louis Vuitton. If you've been watching my videos, thank you. If not, where you been? Welcome. Come on in. Sit down. Take your shoes off. Let's holler. Let's write a song about it. Here it goes. But no, if you've never been to my channel, you know, we're glad you're here. But I've been talking about this pre-order for about the last month. I tried to contact Louis Vuitton, then, you know, the little gal was bajiggity to me, and then another gal texted me back and was like, hey, Miss B, I can get that for you. I was like, well, good deal. So, turns out I did get a pre-order of this item. You probably know what it is because everybody's unboxing this lately. Jessie is one of them. Hey, girl. We love the same bag, she and I. It's so funny because she's, you know, I'm old enough to be her mama. Maybe her grandma, I don't know, but definitely her mama. But she has the same, she's an old soul. She has the same taste in bags as me. I don't know if that's a it's definitely a compliment to me, but I don't know if she would take that as a compliment or not. But anyway, so this is a true unboxing. I don't know why I'm tripping. I just actually got it out off the porch or whatever. It seems like it's going to be a great big item, but this thing's tiny. So anyway, you got your little accoutrement, your little receipt, and oh girl, no ribbon. Look at me looking a gift horse. The craziest thing happened. I don't know why, but I decided to get up, and two heavy things from up above my head crashed down to where I was sitting. Divine intervention. Somebody's looking out for me. Thank you. I don't know what made me get up and check the camera. I thought it was dying. I got up, and as soon as I stepped over there, bam. Yeah. Death by Louis Vuitton. I mean, there could be a worse way to go. You know what I mean? I kind of think that's how I want to go out. You know what? If I go, remember this. I want my ashes spread in Mel of Melbourne's closet. She showed that closet the other day, and I was like, yep, that's where I want to go. Just check me out right there. But anyhow, I'm prolonging the agony here. So let's just see. Look how tiny. Just in Louis Vuitton fashion. Give us a huge box that could carry 2 of these tiny bags. But hey, Bish, we're going to give you the biggest box we can find. Okay. And I feel awful about throwing these boxes out. People charge for them online. This is a little smaller than I had anticipated, but still, I knew it was going to be tiny. What do y'all think? Is it a cosmetic pouch? Hell no, she's the tiniest thing. Oh, she's the little tiny nano sack plaid. I mean, I am not kidding you. She's just a little tiny baby. Oh, I love it. I love that the handles, that the vachetta is not white. It's treated, so that's kind of a plus. Okay, we've got our little, yes, girl. Got our little strap in there. Oh, man, I mean, you can basically get your hand in here, and that is it. I need to do a what fits, too. But let's see here. Ooh. Girl, she smells great. Yes. Oh, yeah. Not like that one bag I got that time that smelled like, you know, a grandma vagine. Not that I know. I'm just assuming here. Oh, God. All right. Wow. Yes. So, I could crossbody her, but she gonna come up high on me because Mommy got all this territory to go. But I'm trying to look at her in the mirror. I mean, she hits me just about my hip, actually my waist, a little below my first inner tube tire. But yes, I mean, you could shoulder her. Yeah, you could totally shoulder her. But dang, I think the idea of her is crossbody. Oh man, I actually love this. And I feel like, whoops, dog trying to get in. I feel like keeping this because I wasn't real sure how I would feel, but I want to because it's special. They just came out with it, and I think that people will be trying to get this like crazy, and if I figure out I don't want it, I can probably get rid of it easily. I mean, that's just a crazy thought in my head, but I'm already thinking of like, I just got her, how do I get rid of her? No. I think I'm gonna actually hold on to this one. Sometimes I get rid of them, as you know. I hope you guys don't think I'm a terrible person, but sometimes I don't ever order things to just unbox and send back. That's not how I do. But it does seem like that because I do that quite a few times, but I just really have to, I have to feel a certain way about a bag because it's a lot of money to me. But gosh, this thing is gorgeous. She's like just the regular canvas, heavy duty brown canvas inside. It's got the Louis Vuitton, let's see here. Made in France. We got us a France piece, my friends. What? Now I know she's staying. Oh, I'm excited. What do you guys think about this one? I'm going to have to check her out very, very good because looks like I've got a little bit of puckering here and some over glaze, just some like a gob of glazing left on. You guys see that? It's kind of a little bubbly right there, and I've got a lot of just a gob of glazing right there. I don't know what's happened there. But yeah, I'm gonna have to inspect her a little more thoroughly. But I think it looks good. That's not enough to, I know some people probably wouldn't want that, but I don't know. I love it. I think it's totally cute. I can see myself probably shouldering this, like to go to the store, or just grab and run in a shop or whatever, or go shopping. I'm thinking like, you could sort of carry her backwards, like just on your back a little bit. I don't know. She could go up here on your bosom. But yeah. I don't know. That looks kind of goofy, right? Yeah. That's a little... I'm not Justin Timberlake, so that's not going to fly. But she's so cute because y'all know I love tiny stuff. And she is tiny. I mean, she's the size of the 19. I'll put that back up there. But she's literally like the toiletry. She really is. I'm just, oh, girl. Thoughts, hopes, dreams, aspirations. Anybody? Tell me everything, guys. Glazing's good on the handles. But look how cute the little tiny, tiny, tiny handles are. It's just, oh, it looks like a little baby bag. Like it's, you got a little tiny baby, but I don't know anybody that would spend this much on a tiny baby, just to drool and gnaw on. Don't get me wrong, I love babies. I like how this has the, these little crossbody, and then if you're not using the strap, that hides easily, it goes away. But my first impression is I actually love it. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah, so when you are carrying it, you can't see where the little loops are. It's totally cute. So yeah, I like that the handles fold down too, out of the way, instead of, a lot of bags are always stuck up here, and that's kind of like, no. I like that you can fold this down and do your crossbody that way. I really like this. Your phone will fit in here, maybe a key pouch, maybe a 4-key or a 6-key. That's pushing it. You're not getting a whole bunch of stuff in here. Gosh, I do love it. I love the smell of it too. She's gorgeous. Yes. All right, guys. I hope you have a special and happy day and rest of the week. I'll be back here closer to the weekend, Friday or Saturday. I don't really know what I got going on. Probably some Coach, because I've been sitting on Coach over here for 2 months. I've been ordering for 2 months, and I've got, a few things that I need to show you. Maybe I'll do some mod shots with this. Nobody wants to see that though, right? If I do, I'll insert it right here. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you back next time. Thank you for subscribing, and hit the like. That does something to the algorithm. It's all I've been hearing lately, so apparently that makes YouTube very happy and makes them shine down on me. I don't know. But anyhow, if y'all see my husband, we got a deal, right? Don't tell him nothing. Bye.